All right, guys, welcome back. It's your man Jay, and this is the Google Pixel 3, and this is the Otterbox Defender. So you guys don't know this, but I actually love Otterboxes, and I like a rugged style case. You know what I'm saying? Even though I don't work in a field where things could be really bad, like rugged and stuff like that, I still like a rugged style case. And Otterbox is one of my go-to cases outside of the Rebel series for in case. But for now, I was online and I was trying to grab this thing, and it is back ordered on Otterbox.com. Best Buy, I can't have it until the 23rd. Just got the phone today, and I really wanted this case, so I scoured around, and lo and behold, Verizon stores have it for 25% off. So not $50, I paid 37 bucks for this, and I'm super happy about it because this is what I wanted. To each their own. You get what you want for your phone, and I'm gonna get what I want for mine. So here's what the phone case comes in like. You've got all this stuff down here. That's just some brochures and stuff under there, but here's the case. Now, I've learned that the Otterbox cases now don't come with a tempered glass installed like the plastic one, because I guess a lot of people just used to take it off anyway. So I went on ahead and got the Defender series, and man, I couldn't wait to get this. I wanted this rugged style case for I just like it. Because another reason is this phone is a smaller phone. So I'm just taking it apart here. Just make sure you follow the clips all the way around, and you should be all right with this case, taking it on and off. It's not a real hard case to take on and off, and you just get along these bottom clips right here, and you're golden. Just remember, when you're putting it back together, you know, you get all this protection right here for your Pixel. Your Pixel's gonna go in here, put that on top, put it in here, boom, you got the clip. Now, I'm probably still gonna go ahead and buy a tempered glass for this thing. I just need to get one that's gonna fit inside of this, and I'm gonna go with a clear one now. As well as gonna go with the black top. I'm just gonna get one that's a clear top and call it a day. So right here, you got this soft touch matte looking feel to protect your phone when it's laying like this. And then your phone goes in here, so you wanna always kind of start with the way I took it off, so I can clip all of the things around. And you just make sure you snap. Make sure you listen for all of the snaps. It's probably like about 7 snaps around there. Some of them won't make a sound, some of them will. You just make sure you got it plugged in there. Shout out to the Pixel Squad crew, man. They getting busy in there in the chat. So this goes on right here, just like this. And the reason I want the Otterbox for this case, I know you saw the unboxing of the official Google case, but the reason I wanted the Otterbox for this case, for this phone right here, is because this phone needed some grip, and it's small enough to where an Otterbox can work with it. So here is what it looks like. You got the big sloping design right here where your finger rests in order to get in, you know what I'm saying? So if you're wondering about the wallpaper, I'm gonna post that on Google+. I've got enough requests for it. This wallpaper was taken by this phone right outside of my house. I just put it up, and if you've seen the video, you already know that I took this with the phone, so that's hot right there. So your screen is completely open, and you're protected from drop protection. So this is just a matter of, I need to go ahead and decide whether or not I want to temper glass. But for now, I got my phone protected. The Google case is nice and everything. It's clean. It costs the same as this, believe it or not, 50 bucks. But again, I got this for $37 on sale because they have them 25% off. So this case right here is giving me grip. It's bulky enough, just how I like it. And the phone is still small, which is what I want. I like a phone like this that's about this size, and then I can put a bulkier case on it. I really like that. So this is the official Otterbox case. And you got the little belt clip and everything right here where your phone can go in like this. And you know, you got the kickstand mode or whatever. I think they still do the kickstand. Yeah, they do. And you can flip it around and watch movies if you want to do it the other way. But this is more importantly for protection, man. This is about protection. So I really, really like Otterboxes sometimes on smaller phones. On my smaller iPhone, I have the Otterbox. And probably for my 10R, I'm going to probably get an Otterbox. If the Rebel series comes, if they send me some cases for the Rebel series for in case, I'll probably rock with those. I'm not sure. But this case right here, I just feel like it's nice. I didn't plan on buying a skin for this phone, and I still don't, because I'm probably just gonna have it live in this box right here. This Otterbox, I'm perfectly fine with that. So this Defender series is for serious drop protection or whatever, but I just needed it for grip, and it gives the phone some substance, man. It gives it something to hold on to. This is a beautiful design and everything, and I know it looks good, but it doesn't do any good to have a phone that's looking good with a shattered screen or a cracked back or just whatever. You need that grip. You can definitely do a skin. A lot of people are doing skins, but a lot of people are buying their case for it, man. I mean, a lot of people say, oh man, you know, you bought that and you put a case on it. Well, yeah, I need to protect my phone when I go outside the house. But the advantages to me leaving this on for me personally is small enough. It's not a really big phone, so I can have this case on 24/7, and I don't think I'm going to get tired of it anytime soon. So if you do see it outside of this case, I'm going to be taking it off to review another case. But other than that, this will be my case of choice for the Google Pixel 3. I like the sloping design up front. Like, it's got the slope right there. I really like that. It's all around the entire edge of the case right there. Really good design for this case. I really like the design for this Otterbox case. The Otterbox cases come in all different shapes now because the phones are all different. However, the Symmetry series is a little less protection than this. The Symmetry series kind of replaced the Commuter series. That's all they did, because you know, if you get a Symmetry series, you're pretty much getting a Commuter series case. That's all you're getting. So this has lots of lip protection, and you can see the port here. It's only just this one port, and it opens this way for the Type-C. I really like that. I don't like sometimes when they flip this way. I like for them to flip that way because I want the cable to be back here and it looks kind of clean, you know what I'm saying? So other than that, man, the camera's cut out, the fingerprint cut out, the other two buttons are covered, and that's it, man. I'm feeling it. I knew it was going to be a nice fit because I like the size of this phone. And that's just what it is, man. So that's the Otterbox Defender series for the Pixel 3. This is the smaller version. So if you're into this, I'm not going to use this right here to be 100. I'm not going to use that, but I just wanted the actual case. And a lot of people some people ask me, why didn't you just get the Symmetry? Well, the Symmetry isn't built like this. The Symmetry is built more along the lines of the Commuter series, and from what I could see when I checked it out. And I just wanted the Defender series. I mean, the Defender series is on sale for 25% off, so I was like, gotta get the Defender series. So there it is, man. It's your man Jay. Defender series, Otterbox, all the way in. I'm super happy. Just got the phone today and decided to go out and buy. I was actually gonna buy this from Google's website, but it's back ordered. It's back ordered through Google, and you don't get it until like the end of the month, the 27th or something like that. And then also it's back ordered through Otterbox, but they have every other one on there. Now, Best Buy would have been my best bet to get it if I wanted it sooner. I could have had it on Thursday, I believe, but I was like, Best Buy selling it for the full cost. Go find your deals, folks. Go find your deals. $37 for this Defender series. Win-win for me, man. And for those of you who like a nice, rugged, sturdy case, you don't have to be a person who's rough on your phones. You can just like the way this feels. So this is all in for me right now, man. It's your man Jay. I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to stay tuned for more on the Pixel 3. Take care.